All right. Listen, Danny, have a nice week.
That's
Very good.
amazing.
Okay.
How many buildings do you own?
I'm on
None
a
of your
verge of
business.
bankruptcy.
I don't want to talk
nothing.
to you.
I'm a-
I don't want to talk to
I
you,
don't want to talk
Danny.
to you either.
I don't want to talk to you, Danny. I don't want to talk to you either.
Can I help you?
I hope so. Diane,
Who's calling?
this is Danny. I'm looking to lease some space from you.
Hold on, please.
Sure.
Hello.
Hi there. My name's Danny. I thought I needed Diane. I'm looking to lease some space from you here in New Jersey.
Okay, but we have a realtor. Did you see? There's a sign there. My name is Mark, by the way.
Hi, Mark.
Okay. Yeah, I'm one of the owners. So it's Todd. He's the
Okay.
realtor. I don't know if did you drive by and see his sign?
I must have missed the sign. I talked to one of your tenants. What's
which
his
tenant
number?
did you talk to? Hold on, let me. But what type of business, by the way, do you want to open?
I'm in the coin laundry business, my friend.
But there's a laundry right there.
That's why I'm calling. I wouldn't call if there wasn't infrastructure already there.
Well, I don't understand. What you want to open? You want to
No, I
rent?
can make you
a space?
understand. We'll understand each other perfectly. So I'm interested in taking existing laundromats that are no longer performing, talking to the landlord, i.e. you, discussing a long-term lease. When it works well. I lease it. I put new equipment in. I run another successful laundromat.
I got people get you a drink, Jack.
I like getting things for myself, Cash.
And this store is not horrible, I'll tell you the truth. It's nowhere near the worst stores I've seen in the tri-state area alone. So maybe it doesn't happen. I mean, I can talk to Todd if you'd like, or talk to you. Maybe we discuss.
Todd is even the right person. Todd is not the right person because you're not looking to rent a space. You need to talk to the laundromat owner.
Only if I was in a hurry. I apologize profusely. I did not remember your first name. It was so brief. What's your name?
Mark.
Mark.
How about you? What's your name?
Danny.
What is your name?
Danny D'Angelo.
Okay.
Scotch, single malt.
No, thank you.
What, you don't drink whiskey?
I'm particular who I drink with.
I don't believe that, Benteen. I think you're just naturally hostile.
Okay, Danny.
We're going to
that has
understand
nothing
each
to do-
other here in about 2 seconds. Mark, we're so used to the phone ringing and someone selling something or they want something. Well, call this an introduction, okay? I own 36 coin laundromats, and I did it, other than the first store, I made the mistake of buying it. I realized, what did I buy? I bought a failure. So now my partner and I scout existing laundries. We reach out to the landlord, not the operator. I don't want to buy their business. They might be doing well now. Maybe they're making money. They're paying you rent. That's the way a business should work, whether it's a hair salon or a laundromat.
Man can get away with anything long as he just keeps paying his friends. What they need down here is a good old-fashioned revolution. You know that, Jack?
Maybe we talk in 6 months or 6 days or 6 years. This equipment needs to be renewed every so often, and if they don't do that, they're no longer serving the public. They're no longer making money.
Well, I don't have anything to do. I have nothing to do with the equipment. He owns
Right.
it. He owns
Pretend
the
like
equipment.
I know
okay?
that. Mark, the tenant owns the equipment. You own the building. I own commercial space myself.
But I
If-
can't do anything for you. We can only rent another. We have one vacant commercial space. That's all we
Right.
can do is rent commercial. We
Right.
can't. Okay, if you okay. So
But
I don't
why-
think. I don't. I think.
Mark,
I think you need to speak to somebody else.
Mark, you're exactly the right person when the time comes. Okay? That time is not now.
All right. Listen, Danny. Have a nice week.
That's
Very good.
amazing.
Okay.
How many buildings do you own?
I'm on
None
the
of your
verge of
business.
bankruptcy.
I don't want
own
to talk
nothing.
to you.
I'm a-
I don't want to talk to
I
you,
don't want to talk
Danny.
to you either.
I don't want to talk to you, Danny. I don't want to talk to you either.
You know, Jack, I got a feeling the next time we run into each other, we're gonna have a killing. Just a feeling.
Gabe, are you okay?
Yes, I'm here. He doesn't seem interested.
He wouldn't open
Yeah.
his fucking ears and listen, is the truth of it. Not that he doesn't seem interested, is that he's fucking clueless. These human beings are square peg, square hole. All day long, well, if you want to do something, you got to go call him. If you want to do something, you got to talk to him. You can't talk to me. I don't know. You talk to my realtor. Didn't you see the sign? Please don't write in the notes, Danny talked to Mark, he was not open or interested, okay? He didn't understand. Do you think he understands the whole concept of what we do? Also, why? Because this is a nice laundromat with fairly new equipment that you put in front of me. This place isn't a shithole, is it?
No,
it's not. And that's why this guy is struggling to understand. When I call a place and the landlord says, oh my God, I wish I could get him out of there. He's still got 6 months left on his lease. It's very different from this place, all right?
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.